Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you loop tracks in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. So go ahead and open it up and go ahead and log into your account that you're going to go ahead and be using for creating your music. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page of the application, where you can see all the people you're following, you can see all the options you can access, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how you loop our tracks. So the first thing we have to do is go ahead and create a new audio track. So we can do that by clicking on this plus button right here at the lower part of the screen in the middle. Click on the plus button and it's going to take us to this new page where we can go ahead and create a new project. So what we can do guys is go ahead and click on the Open Studio option right here. As you can see, Open Studio, and it's now going to go ahead and enable us what kind of music we want to make. So guys, if you want to create a loop that is already automatically generated, you can go ahead and use the looper option right here. Click on looper guys, and then you can go ahead and select whatever option you want to use, which are all looped, and you can go ahead and use them for your music creation. You can add vocals over them and so on. But if you want to create a loop on your own, then what you can do is just go ahead and click your this plus button right here to go ahead and add your audio. Go ahead and record your voice or whatever, your music, and then you can just add it over and over again until you're finished, and that is how long the loop is going to act. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.